Hello, we are from Aglio Olio Group and now we will show you how to make spaghetti aglio olio. First, let us introduce ourselves. This is me, Mahda Aulia. I'm the speaker of the group. And this is Fadila. She is the master chef of the group. She is Nilam. She is also the master chef of the group. And this is Bismi. She's the videographer and also the editor of the group. So, let's make the spaghetti. So this is the ingredients that you need for making aglio olio. First you need a salt, and then spring onions, parsley, bon chabe, garlic, cherry tomatoes, sausage, oil, and of course spaghetti. For the material, all we need is a knife, spatula, spoon, fork, plate, and also the stove and the pan. So the first step that you should do is put the water in a pan and then turn on the stove. And then clean and chop the garlic and the spring onion. So in this recipe we use La Fonte spaghetti at the size 10. You can use any brand or any size that you have at home. Open it. Okay, as we can see, the water has boiled, so it's time for us to put the spaghetti in it. Move to the next step. This is one of the most important steps. Don't forget to put the salt on the spaghetti. Wait for about 10 minutes until the spaghetti is cooked and then drain. Okay, as you guys can see, it's already 10 minutes, so the spaghetti is cooked, and then we're gonna put it on the another place. Next, we will make the spaghetti seasonings. The first step is pour the oil into the pan, and then when the oil is hot enough, add the garlic and also the spring onions. Next, cook until it smells good, and after a few minutes, add the bon chabe and also the chili powder. And then put the spaghetti that we drained earlier into the pan. Mix it well. Okay, then you can add toppings such as sausage or other toppings that you like. You can use meatball or anything. Put the toppings and then mix it again until it smells good. And finally, this is the plating time. Sprinkle the parsley over the spaghetti. Actually, the parsley is optional, you don't need to use that. But for making it looks more fancy, you can use the parsley. And you can also add toppings like cherry tomatoes or anything that you like. Okay, done. It looks good and also it tastes good.